Hi, this is Kilkub once again. Excel's Power Query is a great tool for building queries to get data from the web within seconds, and you can build a query that will pull data from a web page and transform it into the desired format. Isn't it great for getting data from a web page that is updated frequently, as you will be able to easily refresh your query to pull the new data in? Well, then let's not waste much more time and learn how to do it right now. Prepare a list of URLs. Here is a website with weather and conditions related to different countries and locations. This is the chart or data that I want into my Excel sheet. But I want to collect the same kind of data from many different locations. So I am first copy-pasting the URL to one of the web pages with this chart. Next, I will not jump into the source code, but I will similarly collect the URLs with similar data tables inside this page. Here is a list of my collected URLs, and now I will convert my data into a table by pressing Ctrl+T. Create a query function. First, you will create a query to extract the data on one page. We will then turn this into a function query where the input is a similar page with the URL. This way, we can apply the query to each URL in a list of the URLs. Go to the Power Query tab and select From Web from Get External Data section. Enter the URL and press the OK button. Excel will connect with the page and the Navigator dialog box will open. A list of tables available to import from the web page will be listed. Select the required table. A preview of our selected data will appear. Press the Edit button in case you want to edit something. This will open the Query Editor window, but I don't want to make changes right now, so I will select Close and Load to. I will choose Loading to Existing Worksheet and then specify the range for my table. You can see that the table has been extracted from the web to my worksheet. Now, we can edit our query to turn it into a query function. Go to the View tab and press the Advanced Editor button. This will allow us to edit the code that Excel has created. To extract the data from this URL, we will need to edit this code. These are the areas where we will put changes in the code. Press the Done button when you finish editing the query. This will turn our query into a parameterized query with the URL as an input. You should see the data preview in the query editor has been replaced with the parameter input. We don't need to enter anything here, and we can just leave it blank. Rename the query to FT0. This will be the name we call to use our query function later on. We can then save our query function by going to the Home tab and pressing the Close and Load button. Use the query function on URL list. We are now ready to use the FT0 query function on our list of URLs. Select a cell in the table and go to the Power Query tab in the ribbon and press the From Table Range button under the Excel Data section, keeping in mind that this is the name of our function. Go to the Add Column tab and press the Custom Column button. Now, we will add a custom column to the query. This is where we'll invoke our FT0 query function. Add a new column name to the custom column and then add the custom column formula like this. If no errors are present, hit OK. The new column will contain a table for each URL, and we will need to expand this table to see the results. Left-click on the required results column filter icon seen in the column heading. Select Expand from the menu and press the OK button. And here is a list of data for different locations as you can see. Again, select Close and Load to. I will select Existing Worksheet and specify the range once again. A table for all my URLs has been generated. A number of loaded rows here is in evidence. Hope this video was helpful and easy to understand. Do mention in the comments how helpful it was to you. Until then.